Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix error 220 in Marvel Rivals. Alright, it is pretty easy to fix. So this error is basically a connection error. So to fix this, just go ahead and go to your search bar and type in CMD. Alright, once the command prompt pops up, just go ahead and click on Run as Administrator right here at the right side. Alright, hit on yes, there will be a pop-up. Alright, so what we're going to type in here is, just follow along, alright, ipconfig space / flush DNS, hit enter. Another one, ipconfig space / release, hit enter. Another one is ipconfig space / renew, hit enter, and we'll wait for the process to finish. All right, as you can see here, it's done. So what we're going to type next is netsh space winsock space reset. And the last one here, netsh space int space IP space reset, hit enter. All right, as you can see, the process is done. Just go ahead and type in exit, hit enter to close the command prompt. All right, once done, just go ahead and restart your computer, launch the game again, and see if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, the next solution here will probably help you fix the issue. All right, so go ahead and go to your network settings right here, or the network icon, right click on it and click on open network and internet settings. All right, once you're in here, just go ahead and click on change adapter options. Now in this page, just go ahead and double click on the network which you are currently using. All right, for example, here when you click on this one, as you can see here, I'm connected to Mercusys CA34 and Mercusys CA34 right here. I'm gonna go ahead and double click on it. This window will pop up. Go to properties, go to TCP IPv4 or Internet Protocol version 4, go to properties. All right, so here's the fun part. Just again, open up your CMD and ping 1.1.1.1, hit enter, wait for it to load. Another one, ping 8.8.8.8, just to compare. All right, so as you can see here in the minimum, maximum, and average, the 8.8.8 is faster for me. The lower the number, the better. All right, so 8.8.8.8. We're going to use that. This DNS is from Google. So again, as you can see here, 8.8.8.8, and the alternate DNS, is 8.8.4.4. All right, once you're done, just go ahead and hit on OK. Hit on OK, close, run the game again, and you be good to go. Now, if 1.1.1 is your fastest, just go ahead and double click again. Properties, IPv4. So preferred DNS server would be 1.1.1.1, and alternate DNS is 1.0.0.1. All right, once done, just go ahead and hit on OK. This one will close this one, close everything, launch the game, and that is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.